stuff around my head. I took it off and gave it to Gas Hill, Ruby. It looks so cute. I was actually gonna, no, I'm telling you, everything I say I'm gonna do, if I don't do it, she did that to me last time. I was with my nurse. This was when I was coming out of this, and I was like, I want some strawberries. Ah, fuck it, I don't feel like it. As soon as I got to know where we were, some park, and she goes, Becky, what strawberries? The girl was like, how did you? And I said I was gonna put this on before I left, and I just said, nah, fuck it. And look what she gave me.